Man, so I had this idea to come up with this awesome brunch and bring a lot of people together to indulge in some really good food, listen to some great music, have some wonderful drinks, and also make it a family affair.
So far, tell me about your overall experience.
Well, I think I'm gonna have to start with the food because the food, the oysters, oh my gosh, they're like to die for.
The menu consists of things like not just shrimp and grits. And what I mean by that is the shrimp is cooked with andouille sausage, peppers, onions, finished in a Cajun cream sauce. And then there's my famous fried chicken. Man, I let that marinate in citrus spices overnight, and then the next day we deep fried it to order, and they were flying out of the kitchen, man.
So how were your cocktails?
Oh, they were really
Your
good.
mimosa.
My mimosa was amazing. And then,
Tell me your favorite part about this event so far.
so my favorite part so far was definitely the experience. I love the whole thing. My food was delicious. I had the red velvet chicken and waffles.
So you're saying
Amazing.
the best dish was the red velvet chicken and waffles?
Yes, it was amazing.
Guys have enjoyed your time.
It was a wonderful Mother's Day experience.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Thank you for doing it. I can't wait for the next event.
Yay!
Man, it was such an amazing experience to be able to do that for you all. And guess what? We're gonna do it again. So, if you haven't seen already, I am going to be doing brunches once a month. You know what it's called? That's right, Chef Gerard's Brunch of the Month. And every month, maybe the first of every month, we'll get that figured out, we're gonna do a brunch. And the menu items will change. We'll keep a couple of the, stellar dishes like the shrimp and grits and the fried chicken. But then we're gonna rotate menus. So I suggest you guys to go to my Facebook page, Gerard Wilcher or Kingdom Cuisine Catering Company, and look out for the brunch of the month. Now, with that being said, before I go, I want to say thank you to everybody who attended the Mother's Day brunch, everybody who worked at the Mother's Day brunch, everyone who shared, liked, anything to do with the Mother's Day brunch. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Garrett, DJ Garrett. I got so many compliments of the music. I appreciate you, man. We did games with Just Play Entertainment and Leah Avery. Thank you so much. Felicia Evans with your bartending service, Exotic Sips. Thank you so much. DeWanda Simpson, who did all the decor for the event. Thank you so much. Thank you to my brother Adrian Simpson for supplying the flyers and doing all the media stuff. I really appreciate it. To Danielle Howard for orchestrating the interviews. My crew was awesome. Everybody in the front was awesome. I really appreciate it. I just want to say, continue to look out for more brunches. And hey, Chef J. Rod here. Thank y'all so much.